Hey Eric, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to be briefly going over the leads that you could be missing out by not having a website and the three things that you need to be doing when building out your website to actually not make it just look good, but actually get leads coming in. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? So I know most of the time, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. The main three things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. So when I'm talking about content, I'm going to go over to your competition first. And Hardwick Fence is your competition because when you type in Fence Company St. Augustine, Superior Fence Rail and Hardwick are the first two spots. But Hardwick is also in the GMB, there for your competition. So when I plugged their website up to my word counter here, they only came up with 578 words on their homepage. Where you really want to be is about 1,500 words on this homepage, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go down the content and crawling through it looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So a keyword is anything that's tailored specific to your niche and service area. So like Fence Company St. Augustine, Fence Installation St. Augustine Fence Repair, St. Augustine fence contractors, etc. Anything like that, okay? So that's what I'm talking about when I mean keywords. The second thing I want to talk about, also another thing with keywords is that you're actually able to hide them in pictures as well. So if you do like save image as on a picture, let's find a picture. Let's do this one, save image as. It should be saved under like fence company St. Augustine instead of, see, this is a new wood fence install. See, that's not doing anything for them. They could be actually hiding a keyword behind there to tell Google where to send their searches to, aka their website. All right. The second thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and backlinks is actually how you get ranked post website build. So you have your on-site SEO, so that's what you do with the keywords and such. So you're adding all that content, 1,500 words into that homepage, and you want to get those high volume low KD keywords, and then you have your backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is basically anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins from the people wins their number organic spot. However, it's important to realize that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's nice noticing relevancy from your backlinks to your website. So as you see here, Hardwick Fence has 56 referring domains, 182 backlinks, and their organic traffic is 214. So when I'm talking about backlinks, I think the best example I could give is, would you rather be on the cover of Fence Magazine or Best Fence USA magazine, or would you rather be on the magazine cover of Best Pizza USA? Best Fence, 100%, because you have absolutely nothing to do with pizzas. All right. So need relevant backlinks to your site after you build it out. So the third thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations is actually how you get ranked in this map pack right here. So I believe I found you on the third page. Let me scroll. Yes, the third, mid top of the third page. This isn't bad, but we don't want you just on the second page or just on the first page. We want you in the top three. So when people are searching for Fence Company St. Augustine, your company is already on their mind here and here. All right. So citations is what we call anything with a NAP. So name, address, or phone number. So anywhere you put your name, address, or phone number is included as a citation. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for them to rank you. And I would definitely suggest getting about 200 citations to be untouchable in this top three spot. All right. So just to go back over the three things we went over today. So one was content. So implement about 1,500 words at least on that home page with some high volume KDs. And I'm just going to go over to Hardwick's organic keywords right here for a second. Oh, let me go back. And I'll give you an example. So as you can see, these KD stands for keyword difficulty, and they're relatively low. The volume, relatively high. So fence installation St. Augustine, 100. Privacy fence St. Augustine, 100. St. Augustine fence, 150. Fencing company St. Augustine, 90. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential here. And I'm just going to go back over to their main overview, and you see this traffic right here. I think it was like 228. So let's just do some rough numbers. This is just from them being at the top of the Google. So 214 traffic a month. Let's just say you lowball and land only 10%. And I mean only 10%. That's an extra, what, 20 to 25 people per month. You charge that per fence. You're talking about some pretty big bang for your buck. All right. So that's the value in this right here. And so the second thing was backlinks. So we went over content. Now we're going over backlinks. And remember, you guys need relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority and you deserve that #1 spot. All right. And the third thing was citations. All right. So get about 200 of these bad boys to get ranked and untouchable in this top 3 spot of the map pack. Okay. So just to end it all, this is literally what I do for a living. And I'm creating this video for you to start generating more leads online. If you do feel like you're wanting to see yourself scale a little bit more, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask is just for a little bit of feedback on this video. Let me know how I did. Again, my name is Josh. My number is 904-383-8479. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this helps. Have a great day.